piano.
What?
I'm a brave boy.
Hello.
Not a brave enough boy for this! Wait, Dad, why is that flower moving? Well, son, I found it on eBay.
Where did I get mine?
When the imposter
We're gonna die!
Oh, Chris, think positive!
I'm positive we're gonna die! Unlock the door, Jebel! You locking doors, Jebel? You locking doors, Jebel? Let me in! Let me in!
I can do anything. I can't be beaten.
I summon Rouse and use hypnosis!
Oh. Well, roll for luck.
20.
There's a light inside your soul that's still shining.
Found it.
The plan is simple. We and Susie fell asleep. Great.
Hey, Chris, I was thinking about baking some cakes. What kind of cakes do you like?
Yes, I am depressed.
Suddenly, pineapple.
This does not help. Ha-ha! Nothing bad ever happens to the Lighteners! Up! Hippity hoppity, your soul is now my property! But it's opposite day. God damn.
Chris has 29 hot dogs, and he gives 4 to... Wait, why does Chris have so many hot dogs? Do you have eyes?
Yes, of course I do.
Well, where are they?
In the basement.
Here, take the manual.
I have learned everything! That's a lot of damage!
Are you alright, Chris?
I have this headache that comes and goes. What's up? And there it is.
I wonder what Chris is doing right now.
Yeah, this is fine.
Hey, do you want to meet my brother? Sorry.
I already befriended your brother last night. Yes, that's right. You befriended my mother, didn't you? So I thought I would return the favor.
You don't mean...
That's right. I f***ed your brother, Sans! Don't you ever befriend my mother again. In this world, it's befriend or be befriended.
Nope. Nope. Nope!